The most interesting experience of my life is my college life. Before I share my college life, may I share what happened in my life in grade 12? Before we start, I'm Gwendolyn T. Flores, 18 years old, living in Purok-Sais, Berada, Barangay del Pilar, Cabadbaran City, Agusan del Norte. I'm currently a first-year college student of Caraga State University, Cabadbaran Campus. BS Industrial Technology major and Food Services Management. The first thing I went through in grade 12 was when I became a leader in our research subject. You can be a leader because first of all, there are many mistakes is what you do. You can't help but when it comes to those who have to pay. You will pay immediately for their grades. It's even worse in the proposal. You also need to print in so that there is nothing because you have completed our topic, but it was in the research congress. We really made it beautiful because it was the first research congress at Del Pilar National High School. We also making a beautiful. Another quick and good panelist, and after that, we bookbind a research topic. The month of January, because I filled up an entrance exam in CSUCC to get a slot in the month of February, so that's the month I will take an exam to get a slot for courses. In the few months, thankful for God because I passed a CSUCC and I will take the course I want right away. This is what I got, Food Service Management. My second choice my first choice is still in major education. Thank you to God and my family to support me. My prayers for the fourth. After that, in my grade 12 years, I was about to finish being a senior in high school. Because I was graduating, my advisor and my classmate, but in the sea to have memories. All before graduating, we practiced a song for the graduating song. In July, I graduated, and my family and I were full of happiness because I give them an honor and a medal for their hard work that they gave to me. That's where my grade 12 life ended. Second college day, before I proceed to college, there was a lot of trouble like enrollment was dark. When I came back, there were so many students who enrolled. Even if you arrive early, there are many students and it takes a long time to register. I went to the counter so that he could talk to the registrar. I could not finish the line because some people just resisted. But thanks God, I finished my enrollment. That day of the first day of school, it's a lot of fun because it's orientation day. But there's no class yet. It's the end of orientation day. The first semester has started. All subjects are already in class. And when the major arrives, the expenses of our laboratory start. Research, main course, and so on. That is the final of first semester. The midterm, because how to slaughter the chicken is a challenge for us because we have no experiences in slaughter. And then when we finish slaughter, we have to go to the refrigerator. After the slaughter days, quickly cooked and presented to mom. The exciting part is a midterm and final examination. I was very nervous because the high school and the college are different. And finally, I finished the first semester and proceed to the second semester. Lastly, the second semester, it is more difficult to do things because there are many activities, but only because I have dreamed of my family and myself. Okay? I have a lot of experience in the second semester, like budgeting and money, because in 1 month they're always allowed for a major. It's my experience that you are the only one to report. Past few days, the midterm exam has started. It's cramming because there are a lot of it, but thank God it's over. Second week of May is the final examination. More study the subject to pass not only the major but also the minor. The exciting part is a culmination day, just an exciting part of my life, and we can prepare that event. Okay, that's all. That's my life about my college life in grade 12. What I have passionate about is just working hard so that I can graduate from college and be able to back to the stage where my family. Always fight and pray to God. That's all.